Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Julie Fior with a new amazing interesting video. Today I decided to share with you information that I know how in past times people was curling their hairs, and we are using these methods right now too. And also why I actually decided to make this video, because I bought some very old thing curling iron from 1900, and I will be trying with you friends here first time to curl oh my gosh, my hair with it. I really very scary and I will show this device a little bit later. If you're thinking like, oh my gosh, her hairstyle looks like strange today, not vintage, not beautiful, because friends, because I will be using my hair to showing you all of this stuff. That's why I didn't make nothing with my hair, just a second, one good way. I was just doing a bun and holding it all the day long, and you see I already have a curl, so one of the ways you already know. Okay, I think I will try this curling iron in the end of the video, no, okay. I will show you, but we will try it in the end of the video to make it more interesting, because I think it's just so. That's how it looks like. I was googling the time, of course, the history, and I saw that first curling iron was actually created in 1888, but it wasn't made a patent on that. So in 1907, some man, sorry, don't remember his name, maybe we'll type here, make a patent on the curling iron. Curling iron, as you know, was very popular in starting actually from 1910. Was popular to do this high bun and such curls here, and plus 1920s, everyone know 1920s, 1930s, these waves couldn't be made without such thing, because you very hard to receive so little waves with some curling way, which I will show later, which I'm using always. Yes, so they didn't have electricity at that time, they didn't have nothing, and this curling iron I will be trying to make hot with the lightning, and I hope my hair will be survive after this. So let's do a pause with this one. First curling iron in their world, yeah. And let's start to speak about their how you can curl your hair without electricity, how it was in the old past times, and what was popular ways you can use right now. So the first and most old way to curl the hair, I think you heard about that, you saw a lot of such photos or in films. It's by using papillotes. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it right. I don't have them because I'm not using such way of curling, but the way to curl your hair, you can use a paper. You can use a paper. You can use, actually they was using mostly the piece of the clothes, mostly a cotton, to hold your hair better, because if it's like this, unless I bring the ribbon just to show how it was using. So it depends on your length, but anyway, I think plus minus such size you need. You taking their piece of hair and curling on that and doing like this, tick. And here you just fixing it looks like a roll on the ribbon. And based on this way, there are a lot of different ways of their curling hair. For example, this, I have such rollers. I think you saw them in their shop. And I even was doing some tutorial with them. This is the same. We can say that ribbon or pebblets will do the little curls for you. Little curls. This one will be doing more bigger diameter because they with diameter. And you know what? I think such way is very beautiful. It looks much more beautiful the foam rollers, but the waves not very yeah, you see, very soft, so you can't create beautiful 1940s, for example, setting, or even 1930s, 1950s. It's very difficult, but it looks good at night, at morning, you know. So the papillets is the first and most older one, if we're not talking about braids, of course. Simple braids, right? Papillets. Then we can use in the same way, we can use their scarves. I will do even a tutorial, like full video, how I'm doing their waves with the scarves. Is everything the same thing, that the base is the piece of cloth and you can curl on the clothes your hairs, and more little pieces of hairs, more little diameter of their clothes, and more little waves. So it's like kind of more simple, and you can always find these things in your home. I even saw that someone was doing this with socks, you know, in the internet. So you can even doing with socks your curls. Of course, the main thing which was using for their curling hair, it's rollers. I have foam rollers. I have electric rollers. I had even this old, I remember my mom, my granny, they was using the rollers which you need to boil in to make them hot, and then you was curling your hair. It's like, I think it was before the electric ones, you know. To be honest, for me foam rollers is most amazing way to curl my hair, because it's fast, it's amazing. I didn't receive never the result as I receiving from the foam rollers from electric roller set. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong, but they heavy and they putting your hair down, and you can't I can't normal fixing them on my head. Maybe it's something with me, but foam rollers lightweight, very comfortable. You can sleep on them, just like it's don't waste your time. For me, to curl my hair with foam rollers before sleep, it's like 10 minutes maximum, and then I wake up 1 minute and I already have amazing curls and can do, and actually all my hairstyles based on that, and mostly vintage hairstyles based on them. The base of such foam rollers, they can be different diameter too, but I like this one. It's like 22 millimeters standard, and you see the base is very little, so you actually can very strict like putting your hair on that and receive the little diameter and receive amazing result. I also will add information about below the video how I'm using foam rollers, because really it's important how you set in them, because you will receive different result. But of course they're like simple way. It's the same, by the way, as you see. I'm doing it under, you see, and actually nothing very. They need to fix good, but to not make your discomfort. So you need to feel comfortable with them. So yeah, so foam rollers, it's base. It's a base. Different how you put in them, different ways you'll receive different results. There even was a lot of patterns to curl your hair, to receive different hairstyles as their actresses of that time. If I will find, I will put here some pictures. And of course, their very old way to curl your hair is with bobby pins. Very comfortable. I know what was popular in 40s. Mostly bobby pins, very comfortable and easy way. And I actually mostly trying to bring with me in some travels bobby pins. What give bobby pins? Bobby pins, even for my hair, I have natural curly hair, very thin, that's why it's very easy curling and very easy holding the waves. And even for me, when I'm curling on their bobby pins, I'm only receiving this very soft wave, which can give me a chance to do amazing page boy. So for page boy and such ways of the curls, very soft and big, you know, page boy. This is only one hairstyle for which I'm using bobby pins. I was trying to use them in different other ways. I didn't receive any other results. So how we're doing? We with our fingers. It's like if you're doing when you're doing their victory roll. So you're doing the roll, and I'm using two. Because one can, when you will sleep, I'm always using actually for night. So I'm doing like X, you see, and their set pattern actually the same as their with foam rollers. I will put a link in information below the video. You can check. And friends, okay, so actually this is the main things that I'm using now, that women was using all the years, and I think time comes to try this. I will use firstly protection for my hair. Let's try. I think I will will try to do this with piece of hair which I can hide if something will go wrong. Okay, so this one will be for our experiment. This is their protection. Oh my god. Okay friends, so we have the light. Actually it was like this, they was doing like this in 1900, from 1900, before their electricity comes. Actually, as I understood, they was doing it in the salons and had a lot of different strange looking machines for that even, or was doing the people's hairdressers. But at home plus they can use such things before the electricity comes. So I actually don't know how hot it need to be. So wait. It's just a little bit warm. Okay. I hope I understand that probably it don't need to be red, right? Like, because it will just burn my hair, but I think it needs to be plus minus like a curling iron temperature. I don't know. I don't know how long I need to do this. Okay, I think... Okay, it's enough. I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, so we doing like this, I think. Probably. And maybe even... I don't know. It's warm, it's warm. It's warm, not very hot, but let's see. I didn't made it very hot, so I think everything need to be okay with the hair at least. Yes, it's I don't know, friends. Okay, let's see. I'm doing this first time. I didn't try it before. So yeah, my camera decided to stop to recording in most interesting part. But you saw that my hair was alive, and what I received. So you know what I can say, that I really can make my hair wavy with this stuff, and I wasn't made it very hot, so that's why you see my curl is very soft, little, but cool. I like it. Plus I know that they was using for this hairstyle, they even was using, not like me, they was even using to make a waves, just was putting like this and already doing it, so you know, like pew pew pew. So thank you so much to be with me. I hope you was interested to watch this and take something for yourself. Don't forget to like and follow me. Bye.